Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Das Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2020 Hino 268A rear wheel drive truck. This is a 26-foot box truck with a lift gate and a ramp. Very nice, clean truck. Nice tires on the front here. A lot of tread left on those. Steps have been repainted with the chassis, anti-rust chassis saver paint. Keeps any existing rust from spreading and any new rust from forming. This truck also has a 70-gallon diesel tank. Box has been repainted with a nice fresh coat of white. Nice Bridgestone rear tires here. A lot of tread left on those as well. This truck is equipped with a pull-out ramp as well as a 3,000-pound capacity aluminum Maxon liftgate, tuck under liftgate. You can see 3,000 pounds. The wheels have also been repainted as well. Along with the passenger side steps. The def tank on these Hinos is mounted on the passenger side. Go ahead and take a look inside the cab. This truck has an overall clearance of 13 feet. Taking a look inside the cab here, this vehicle, like all of our vehicles, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition. This is an air ride seat, air suspension seat on the driver's side, as well as a bench seat for two on the passenger side. Washer fluid reservoir is mounted under the passenger seat on these Hinos. And this truck does have air brakes, as well as a Hino brand CD player. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. Hard to see here, but this truck has, there we go, 151,165 miles. Air gauges, as you can see, functioning. No lights on the dash. This truck does have exhaust brake here if you pull the switch here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. Now taking a look at the engine, this truck comes equipped with a Hino J08E 7.6 liter i6 engine coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The oil and oil filter have been changed on this truck, and the rest of the fluids have been topped off as needed. We've also detailed under the hood to give you a better idea of what sort of condition it's in. As you can see, this truck is looking and running great and is ready to get to work. And taking a look inside the box here quick. 26-foot box. Kick plates all the way around on the floor, as well as 2 rows of E-track mounted on each side. It does have the rollback door. And we've also repainted this back bumper section of the box. And there you have it, a 2020 Hino 268A 26-foot box truck with a 3,000 pound capacity Maxon liftgate, as well as a pull-out ramp, a Hino J08E 7.6 liter i6 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, air brakes, air ride driver's seat, 2 rows of E-track in the box, kick plates around the floor of the box, a 70-gallon diesel tank, and a CD player in the cab. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.